I'd like to tell you about an exciting cable and wire ID solution called turntail labels. Proper labeling is key to identifying wire and cable runs, whether they're located in data centers, enterprise buildings, control panels, or industrial environments. Turntail labels from Panduit have a unique feature that allows the labels to be viewed from any angle within tight quarters. Just rotate or slide the label along the cable, even after installation. You don't have to disconnect the wire or replace the label. This unique feature from Panduit enables faster retermination, troubleshooting, and maintenance. Turntail labels are available in a variety of sizes and colors. They can be printed on demand using the TDP thermal transfer desktop printers, LaserJet and inkjet office printers, and the MP300 mobile printer. Panduit turntail labels save time and money by providing a clear and efficient way to label according to the TIA 606 labeling standard. With turntail labels from Panduit, you can really see the difference.